Yeah, today we are looking for this question. This question basically is the yeah here this question is we have bunch of class, so you want to so a bunch of class. This is good sample. This is a good sample here. Is bunch of good class, 5 class, right? So 5 class, each one, each row. No, this is two-way from row one go to here, row one go to here, the row one go to row two, cost 5. From row one go to row three, cost 4, something like that. So basically, you want to drink the water. Let's say you have 5 water here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He gave you the limitation. Say, okay, you only can drink 3. Let's say you only can drink 3. I only can drink 3. Drink, yeah. So only can drink 2. So you only can drink 2. And which 2 you don't know. So if it like, let's say I would drink this 2. So if you drink this 2, but this water is not, you cannot drink that. So basically you gotta use this cost. Use this cost too. Okay, I put this drink to here. I might this drink to here. Don't know. Maybe here. This one could be here. Could be here, right? Also could be here. You never know. So he want to find a minimum cost. Minimum cost. Basically, you don't know what to do, right? And this glass is small. It's 20. So basically 20 look like you gotta prove us all the possibility. If you don't try, you never know which one, because there's no beautiful solution. So what do we try? So basically you gotta try all. Try all. First is DP. Second, how to try all, right? How do I try all? Like how do I pull this one here, pull this one here? And this time, the good idea is called bitmask is coming again. So bitmask is so he say, okay, for in the beginning there's a let's say it's 1 1 1 1 1, right? So if I pick this one, let's say I pick second one. If I pick second one, go to 4, right? So it's 2 to 4. So 2 to 4 we have cost. 2 to 4 we have cost. This is 2. So basically this is 2, 2, this is 4. 2 to 4 cost is 4. So right now, if I put 2 go to here, then suddenly my bitmask turn into 1 0 1 1 1, right? So this one, his idea is once we pull this water, right? Once we pull this water, and if we know this answer, let's say we know this answer, and we remember this answer, and we use this cost. This cost is 2 4, right? So we use 4 plus this one, and we just use this answer to compare which one is good and find the minimum. Basically, that's the idea. So that is called bitmask DP. So we know this one, right? So we calculate this one, does help, right? Next time we put this one, let's say we put this one to here, and we turn this one to 0, and this one go to 1. So we know this answer, 1 0 0 1 1. We know this answer, we can find this one. So basically, also match the DP. So DP will remember this one, solve all the other problem, right? Okay, so now look at the code. So in the beginning, we know how many N, how many K, right? So it's only allow you, K is only allow you drink how many cup. And with DP is here. So dp is all the position, right? So if it's 5, then this is 5, then this shift 5. So if you will start with for this sample, you will start with a 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1, right? So this all the dp. We'll remember all the answer. So the dp state is, for each answer costs how much. For this one costs how much, right? The best one costs how much. Okay. The A is the cost. So just read. In the beginning, we initialize dp. So we haven't calculated this for initialize. C will be just memory set. For Java, you need to do by yourself. So each dp gonna initial. And after this, read it easy. After we come to solve, okay? Solve, in the beginning, we send this 1 1 1 1 coming. This one is 1 1 1 1. We send this 1 1 coming, okay? So in the beginning, we want to know 1 1 1 1 1, everything full water. Just charge cost is coming. And then we calculation. If we already, so the bit count is mean all the 1. Here we're calculating all the 1 here. So if the 1, we already, if this 1. So for example here, if this one, if we only want to 3, right? So if count this one 1 1 1, so total is 3. If 3 already matched, we're allowed to drink, then just no cost. You just drink them all. So basically, this one just return 0, no cost at all. Now we get the answer here. So if dp is not or negative 1, we already have answer return this one. That's dp beauty for this one, right? After we have this one is going to make this bigger. We don't need it 30. I think 20 should be enough. Yeah, now we have the loop. So for each row, so each row I is start, right? I start from here. This is start with 2, and we just for each, if the bit mask, right? If this masker hit with I, this one hit with I. If I here, if this one have empty one, there's nothing you cannot pull here. This is 0. Let's say this is 0. You cannot do this move, so this is don't need to skip, right? So we need to skip that. So just skip that, okay? So using that position to the pull. No. Now we have J is 2, right? This is from, this is 2. This is from, and this is 2. Okay, the 2, same thing. If J equals to 6, something is himself is like J equal to J is meaning from 2 is same cup. Don't know. Also 2 here, right? Same thing, same concept. If this one I want to start here, pulling to here, and I find here is empty. He cannot allow, don't allow to pull, so it cannot. So we cannot just from 1 to here. We build another one. No, cannot. So now we have okay. Now it's valid. After valid, we call this one say okay. Now we have this one mask all. Why the all is working is because we already checking this one must have that one, right? So from here to here, we already make sure this have this one. Now only what we need to do is get rid of this one, turn this one to 0. So becoming 1 0 1 1 1. So turn how to turn this one to 0? We just all, because we already make sure this is 2. Both digits 1 1. So all this one be 0. Turn to the next one. So now we need to find the next one. And here we go. So we just solve this one, right? So if we get this answer, right? We just compare. We just compare which one is minimum, right? Which one is minimum, right? So then we plus our cost. So then we get the answer. Now return. Then we save the answer here. At the end, print the answer, right? At the end, print the answer. So that's it. So here the answer is that one. So this is answer plus your cost because you're pulling the water here. This 2 and compare that one. Okay. you get the new minimum. At the end, you solve the minimum, you save to the mask at the end. So you return that.